Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize your quick launch in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into Advanced Features option. Now choose Side key, and here first option need to activate, double press and choose your option, maybe Quick Launch Camera or Open Up. If we choose Open Up, need to choose Application from the list. And if you want to change another application, click Settings here in the right side and choose another. And on the bottom we got Press and Hold block, so here we got Wake Bixby or Power Off menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.